Hello you guys and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a unboxing slash kind of a brand review or a company review. I don't really know what to call it, but it is on Wishtrend. I'm sure most of you guys already know of Wishtrend and I have talked about them multiple times on my channel in the past as well, but recently they did like a full revamp of their site and they're producing new products like left and right. I never thought their past site was like bad or anything at all, but they kind of redid it and it is quite amazing. And they recently did send me a parcel as well, which I'm really excited about. If you have not heard of Wishtrend before, it is a skincare company based in Seoul, Korea, but everything on their site and all of their products have English descriptions and information, which is amazing for us non-Korean speakers. And they are all like K-beauty and inspired by K-beauty skincare, but they do kind of provide and lean to more Western users. And I think Claire's at least, they have started selling in Ulta in America and stuff, so it is like readily available for a lot of people and their products are really good quality and not too high of a price point. So I thought I would do kind of like my favorite favorite picks from Wishtrend. So I think before we get into the reviews, we might as well open this box because it's really exciting. It's been sitting there for a couple of days, so I'm just like, I really want to open it. So what got me excited was honestly when I opened it, there was this thing in there that said, "Hi Tina, we missed you," and I'm like, oh, so cute. Ooh, see, this is what I don't know what is. I know kind of what the rest of it is, but I don't know what this is, so I'm really excited to open it. Where your journey to positive beauty takes off. Awesome. It's in a cute little Wishtrend bag, I guess. Open it up. I mean, from the feel of it, it feels like sheet masks, which I love their sheet masks. They're so good. Ooh, there is so Ooh, I got a pen in it. Does anyone else love free pens? I got a pen, first of all, a free Wishtrend pen. Super exciting. We've got Wishtrend's sticker pack, a bunch of stickers from Wishtrend. They've got like they've got some of their like iconic products as well as like little logos and things like that, and then the sheet masks. Oh, they've got 3 different types and 3 of each sheet mask. First, the Dear Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Tencel, I don't know how to say it, sheet mask, which I have tried this one before and I absolutely love it. It is part of their soothing range, which is really moisturizing, obviously soothing and calming to the skin. And then the next one is their Natural Vitamin 21.5 Enhancing Sheet Mask by Wishtrend. I have not tried this one before, but I know their vitamin C serum in this range is really popular and very effective, so I will be excited to try these ones out. And then this one I'm super excited for as well. It is their Mugwort Sheet Mask, which I have tried their Mugwort like wash off mask, which is really soothing and calming if you get like irritated skin or if you have like acne prone, blemish prone skin. It helps calm that down as well because it does have mugwort in it, which is basically like Asian tea tree. When I saw they were releasing a sheet mask, I was actually really excited about it and really wanted to try it out. So this is their I'm From range. And then the rest, what is this? I actually have no idea what this is. It's quite heavy. Holy crap, it's a memo pad. Honestly, I thought it was like a perfume or something because it's like a block, but it's a sticky note memo pad that says Wishtrend. That's actually sick. That's so funny. That will last me like years to come, but that's really cool. Got my memos ready. And then the rest are their full-size products that they sent out, which I actually got to choose. The first one is their I'm From Rice Toner. I think I have expressed in the past that I really like the use of rice and rice water in skincare ingredients. I don't know what I'm saying. It helps really to brighten your skin tone, helps to basically like make your pores and kind of skin finer and more even. So I'm all about that. I'm always worried about the pores on my cheeks and how they look bigger and bigger every day, and it is also really gentle for the skin as well. So super excited for this toner. And it's in, oh, it's so like ooh, look how opaque it is. The liquid's actually like so opaque and milky, which I'm really excited about this one actually. Anti-wrinkle as well, who doesn't love that? And then the other ones, I can open it. I probably had a really bad double chin just then, didn't I? This is one of their like brand new products. Dear Klairs Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. The thing that caught my eye about this was that it said that it is all the benefits of a facial oil, but it feels like a watery serum, which that sounds like a dream. Oils, like depending on the oil, most or some oils I'm okay with, but still I'm not the biggest fan of face oils, and I feel like I always have to mix it in with my moisturizer for it to feel comfortable. I don't really like directly applying it to my skin, and I definitely prefer the feel and absorption of water-based serums. Deep hydration, glowy, vegan, and cruelty-free, antioxidant-rich watery oil. It has ingredients like, ooh, sounds so good. It has tea complex, it has fermented and wait, I need to like gather my thought. It has fermented ingredients as well as peptides, and then it uses green tea water as well. It sounds like a freaking magic in a bottle. And this is such a big bottle. It's 50 mils. Like, how generous is that? That's a really big bottle. And then product from by Wishtrend, it is the TECA or TECA 1% barrier cream. So this is like a soothing and anti-irritant calming post pimple popping cream. It has centella asiatica, which obviously is one of my favorite ingredients because I feel like I've talked about it so many times. I feel like there's a lot of products for pre or current pimple care, like spot treatments to help reduce pimples, but I feel like there's not that many products that help with post pimple popping, which I am an advocate for pimple popping. I know that sounds really weird, but I pop my pimples and I cannot wait for them to go away, because a lot of the times for me, when they don't pop and go away, it leaves a bigger scar that lasts for longer, me personally, than actually popping them. Strengthen the skin barrier and calm irritation for after acne cares. I'm probably going to start using this straight away. I luckily do not have a pimple right now, like freaking knock on wood, because it's probably going to happen tomorrow, but as soon as I do have one pop it, this is going to be the first thing I'm going to try out. So now that we've opened these exciting new products, I might introduce you guys to my favorite ones that have been around for a little bit longer. So the first one will definitely be the Klairs Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop. I freaking love this serum. I think I've talked about it so many times. It is the most easiest, fuss-free, water light anti-aging serum that is packed of peptides. I felt like my skin was just smoother, more bouncier, more stronger, and it held and retained moisture a lot better than it used to with this. I finished it like quite a while back. This bottle's been empty for such a long time, but I still kept it because I'm like, I need to get another one. I still haven't yet, but I will get another one because it is an amazing serum that you can start using from like your early 20s. Really great for like early anti-aging care. This is probably possibly my favorite product that Wishtrend has released, in all honesty. Next, I've talked about this before. I'm pretty sure I've talked about all the products, but just so it's in one little video for you guys, this is the by Wishtrend Green Tea and Enzyme Powder Wash. This one's a low pH gentle powder wash that uses natural enzymes from papaya to really gently exfoliate the skin. It leaves your skin feeling absolutely amazingly smooth. I use it probably just like once these days, once a week. I used to use it more often, but I feel like my skin is better without over exfoliating, as it is for most people. So I don't use it that often, but it's still the one I reach for when my skin is feeling just a little bit rough, but I don't want to do like an extreme exfoliation. Dear Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. This one does have vitamin E, niacinamide, adenosine, and it is like a brightening, glowy, moisturizing, like sleeping mask. You can use it during the day as well, but I do definitely like to use it at night. It basically like puts a veil onto your skin like a sleeping mask. I mean, it is a sleeping mask, but it's really nourishing, moisturizing, and it does give that glow to your skin. And I do like to use it in conjunction with the Dear Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. This is their vitamin C serum. This is a 5% vitamin C serum, so I don't think it's super effective in reducing, what is it, stubborn pigmentation. But if you just want to like brighten up your skin tone overall and give a bit more of a fresh look to your dull skin, using these two together, definitely the next morning I realized my skin is a lot brighter and a lot more like fresh looking. I guess both of them are called like freshly juiced, so your skin looks freshly juiced. Oh man. So lastly is the Dear Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence. I believe this is like their best-selling SPF. Honestly, it is just like a really nice, lightweight, non-greasy, no white cast, water-based SPF sunscreen. I'm like, what's the word? It is a fairly big bottle too, and it has been my daily everyday sunscreen for the last couple of months. I find it's actually a little bit more moisturizing than a lot of my water-based Japanese ones, so I did like using it during the winter time. I felt like it just gave me a little bit more of a extra boost before I applied my makeup, and it works really good and it works really great as a base underneath makeup as well. So that is everything. They are my top picks from Wishtrend. All in all, as a brand, they really do put a lot of time and consideration and thought into their products, and with their new site, I mean, their old site had it as well, but it's really easy to navigate and to kind of build your skincare routine. They've got a lot of sets, and with every product they also kind of tell you how to use it and when you should use it, and gives you a little bit of extra information compared to a lot of other sites and a lot of brands. They do also have a YouTube channel, which is huge, and they produce so many really informative, really good videos. The big benefit about them is that they probably do ship to your country. If you go on their site, you can see all the countries that they ship to, and it's not bad shipping as well. I believe it's like free over $60 or something, so it's pretty good. So if you haven't checked them out, please do, and let me know if you've tried any of their products too, and which ones you liked in a comment below so we can have a chat about it. But thank you for joining me today. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.